Jamin Porter here from Fell into Faith Ministries, out here doing a weld inspection on 66-inch carbon steel pipe. I've already verified the welder qualification test records. I've verified the welding procedure specifications that are relevant to the joint designs that I'm working with today. So next I want to verify the fit up of the pipe. It's called a bell and spigot lap joint. It's all tacked and locked in. Nice long tacks. Those are pretty much welds at that point. But anyway, so the overlap is supposed to be 3 inches per spec. And I know that they've chiseled away 6 inches of the concrete, the mortar. So as long as I have 3 inches showing there, we're good on that. And then I'm looking to see how tight the lap is. This looks good. So where this is gonna have a loose end or a gap is gonna be on the bottom side of the pipe. This is the bottom side, but it looks just dandy. So I am good with this fit up. I will suggest that they take mill scale off before they run their root pass. Okay, so the drawing calls for welding to T. T stands for thickness. And obviously, as you can see here, or maybe not, I don't know, it's a 1/2 inch thick. And so we're going to be putting a 3-pass 1/2 inch fillet weld down. So now that you've seen the welder laying down some filler metal, some of you I'm sure know that we are using the E71T-8 NR232072. While inside the pipe, there was a few things I would have liked to talk about, but I couldn't hear because that air blower is extremely strong and noisy. So, boo-hoo. Looks pretty good. Good 1/2 inch fillet weld. Anyway, so that's pretty much it for the lap welding of the 66-inch. I will do non-destructive testing by means of mag particle, 100% outside and inside. One day I will film the mag particle testing part of the inspection, but it's not going to be today. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.